Scalability, innovation, futuristic, and disruption are some of the terms associated with businesses. HD Fleet enables organizations to experience the new frontier in fleet management solutions with video telematics.
At HD Fleet, we protect commercial companies from accidents. We provide safety applications so they can review scorecards and how their drivers are compared to other drivers. And we provide month-to-month plans so that the companies can utilize the GPS waypoints and the camera footage to help them save money, keep them out of fraudulent cases, and just provide day-to-day monitoring activities so they can be more productive.
With the aim of delivering the utmost value to its customers with minimum disruption to the core engineering team's daily operations, HD Fleet was looking for a team to deliver an end-to-end SaaS development services, develop a GPS tracking solution database while they focused on their strategic initiatives.
We needed a company that had the resources already available, so when we were growing, we could partner with someone to help us grow our application. Well, there was a few main reasons why we did. First, they have 25 years of experience. Second, it provided us a flexible solution to have an augmented team in a different time region. It provides us to do release management overnight so our clients don't experience outages. It also provided us expertise in certain areas that we didn't have, such as GPS location tracking, software development with new technologies, and it just provided us a flexible, cost-effective solution so that we could move faster. HD Fleet's partnership with Trigent Software has been a great experience for us. They've been helping us grow our business without adding additional resources on site. With them being located outside of the United States, it's provided us a level of additional redundancies and coverage that we would not have if we use someone locally. Trigent provides a few things for us at HD Fleet. They provide a development department, a quality assurance department, and support for our hdfleet.net application. Having a diverse team that allows us to have that flexibility to help us grow our business and provide that stability to ensure that our customers are relying on us. The solutions that we have been given by Trigent has allowed us to scale and has given us an application that's clearly cutting edge compared to our competitors. We're able to basically take real-time data, present it in a usable format for our clients. It's been a pleasure working with Trigent Software. It really has allowed us to be flexible in our software development cycles. Trigent Software has provided HD Fleet with consistency and reliability to ensure that we can release products on time. Our partnership with Trigent Software has enabled us to grow faster and provide stable products for our clients to use every day.